Autotek, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the diagnostic process of your vehicle, how we determine what's going on with it, and how we get the best recommended parts, procedures, and repairs for your motor vehicle. The reason we're going to talk about this is vehicles are often misdiagnosed by having improper information before the vehicle ever arrives at the shop. One of the most common phone calls we get is somebody asking for an estimate for a very specific repair. They know the part, the year, make, model, everything they need, and we're happy to provide them a competitive quote immediately over the phone. However, they're often disappointed if they then come in and find out that what they thought was the problem wasn't actually the culprit. And while they may have been told that they thought that was the problem by the tow truck driver or the oil change guy at the quick lube shop, they haven't actually had a mechanic or an ASE certified technician actually get a look and inspect the vehicle. This is a big problem because it builds you up literally to break you down. The goal from our perspective is to keep you as consistent as possible and make sure that you're aware through every piece and part of the process. So that means the moment your vehicle arrives, we're going to listen, most importantly, to everything you have to say. We want to know all the empirical data, what you've experienced, what symptoms are going on, how often, when they do it, so that we can provide the most accurate diagnostic of your motor vehicle. Oftentimes, an owner will come in and may say, replace the alternator, it's bad, because the vehicle is not starting. Maybe it needs a starter, or a battery, or an ignition switch, or has an entirely different problem. From our end, we're always going to diagnose every piece and every part of the problem, and we're always going to perform a thorough inspection of the vehicle so that you know you're getting the whole story, and not just somebody's guess of what might be, or not just an idea of what might help in the meantime, but that you're truly getting the result that you desire. So if you've got a concern about yours, and you're worried about what it might take to repair it, or you're worried that the cost might be high just to take it to a shop and find out, you don't need to be. At Saul's Autotek, we provide diagnostic services free of charge because we don't want you to go out of pocket just trying to learn about your car. Additionally, we partner with local tow drivers so that if your vehicle is disabled, we can get you to us at the lowest expense possible. We'll even work with your insurance company or your AAA provider so that it doesn't cost you a penny. The goals behind all of this is so that you can have the most unbiased information about your vehicle so that you can make a decision about your vested interest without anybody else's influence. Rather than try and diagnose the vehicle through the phone and guess at what a repair might be, please bring your vehicle on in and let us take a look here at Saul's Autotek. We're here 365 days a year because we know you need your car. Our goal is to call you within 3 hours of the time your vehicle's been dropped off so that you don't have to deal with that anxiety of wondering what's happening, and you know that we're on top of yours. Give us a shout, 303-919-7769, and we'd be happy to help with your estimate and your repair. Thank you.